Yes.
Understood. Good grief.
Oh, it's you. Well, huh?
So dance, if you wanna go ahead. Free to do whatever, I'm chilling on my bed. I'm minding my biz, so mind your own biz. Whatever like is.
Oh,
we
maybe-
say, hey, 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 feeling the fire with the burning desire. Every day brings fire,
Yes.
it never expires. But we gon' chill today. Let me rock the world tomorrow, you know.
A shadow in the middle of town. It managed to take over public transportation. I should investigate whether this means it's finally begun. The monorail. I bet this subject would make a good one-liner. Oh, I need to note that one down. Unfortunately, Lady Luck played a large part in our victory, especially toward the end. If he hadn't guessed at the right controls, things could have been very bad. For shadows to work in a group to overrun large machines is unprecedented. The engine. That was an ingenious move. What is it with me today? I'm on a roll. Better write that one down too. Always be prepared for heavy lifting during a mission. Because shadows aren't light. Oh, whoa, I'm getting a little off subject. Oh, but who cares? Hey, I should write all these down and show them off the next time everyone gets together. Don't care for seafood? They also serve ground beef. Oh, this has nothing to do with the status report anymore, but I'm having a blast. Let's see, what else?
So dance, if you wanna go ahead. Free to do whatever, I'm chilling on my bed. I'm minding my biz, so mind your own biz. Whatever like is, we gon' flow with the set. Hey, 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 we gon' inspire with the burning desire. Every day we inspire, so never expires.
Good morning. Yeah.
Yo! That's right! I was wondering, you think we could pick up some new moves from these fighting games? Can you imagine if we had, like, super badass special attack? Dude, right? And besides, our power's gotta come from the heart, right? That's why I think comics and games will give us a little inspiration. Seeing those heroes in action pumps me up and helps me picture my fights better, know what I mean? But hey, maybe someday someone will make a game about our adventures. I mean, we have gone around saving people, like at the monorail. We kicked ass on that one, didn't we? Making a comeback after hanging on by a thread? Woohoo, it was like a freaking movie, huh? Though I'd say you really stole most of the show. I admit, wasn't on my game before. Next time, I'm totally gonna knock it out of the park. Whoa! Look who's talking like a leader. I'm stealing the spotlight next time. You know, I really do want to do my best. These powers, our mission, I got a lot of good things going for me. I've been really waiting for something like this. I feel like my life's finally starting to go somewhere. I don't plan on letting you get the best of me just yet. You hear? If you go screwing around, I might just have to take over as leader. Well, let's quit yapping and play some games. Our next enemy can wait. You and me are throwing down for the whole enchilada. Oh yeah? Your funeral, buddy. Yeah, take that. Die, 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 die!
Oh, welcome back.
So dance, if you wanna go ahead. Free to do whatever, I'm chilling on my bed. Minding my biz, so mind your own biz. Whatever like is, we gon' flow with the set. Hey, 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 feeling the fire with the burning desire.
Hey, listen! Hey there!
And the light men are crossing over long shadows, wearing bells like hopes for intimacy. Want to be close, to be close.
All right, class is starting. Then... You got it.
Come to think of it. Much obliged.
I never felt like
Uh-huh. I got some stuff you might find useful, so feel free to browse.
you gotta tell now.
Everything look good here? Good. It's all yours.
I never felt like I never felt like
Everything look good here? Good. It's all yours.
you gotta tell now.
That what you want? Good. It's all yours.
I never felt like I never felt like
What are you looking for?
baby, still with me.
That what you want? Good. It's all yours.
You gotta tell now. I never felt like I never felt like
What are you looking for? What'll it be? What are you looking for?
baby, still with me. You gotta tell now.
That what you want? Good. It's all yours.
I never felt like
That what having second thoughts? Everything look good here? Good. It's all yours. Everything look all right then.
baby, still with me.
Uh-huh. What are you looking for?
You gotta tell now. I never
What do you got?
I never felt like baby, still with me. You gotta tell now.
How many are you selling?
I never felt like
You sure now? Sure. It's a deal.
I never felt like baby, still with me.
How many are you selling? Sure now. All right. I'll take that. How many? You're handing that? Sure. It's a deal.
I never felt like
How many? Sure now. Sure. How many? Sure now. Sure. It's a deal. How many? You're handing that? Sure. It's a deal. All done here? Come back soon.
I never felt like so miserable. I never knew I'm thinking this will last forever. Baby, stay with me. You gotta say now you're the closer of me. I never felt like so different now. It doesn't seem like we've been far apart. So your lies.
Mama,
Turn down.
it's real.
It doesn't seem like it will last forever.
Drop by again, yeah?
One star is by the moon, and the hell looks in your eyes. Just dialing your number, day to prayers till last good. We're in my heart, the moon reaches stars. If you hold me tight, feel your heart beat so close. Will this last long?
Welcome.
Welcome.
To move on like that, just give me something that hurts your not for me. Just give me
Welcome.
If I could ever tell you that you would not leave me. When stars smile the moon, the colors in your eyes, and neither smile so close. I was thinking of you. Up in the sky high, the moon reaches stars. If you hold me tight, feel your heartbeat so close. What was like
All right, all right.
Welcome back.
So dance, if you wanna go ahead. Free to do whatever, I'm chilling on my bed. Minding my biz, so mind your own biz. Whatever like is, we gon' flow with this head. Hey, 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 feeling the fire with the burning desire. Every day we're inspired, but never expires. But we gon' chill today, let me rock the world tomorrow, you know.
Good morning. Yes.
In the light, men are crossing over long shadows, wearing veils like hopes for intimacy. Want to be close, to be close. So that's why. Well then. Fantastic!
Welcome back. Yes.
So dance, if you wanna go ahead. Free to do whatever, I'm chilling on my bed. I'm out in my biz, so mind your own biz. Whatever like is, we gon' flow with this head. Hey, 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 feeling the fire with the burning desire. Every day we inspire, but never expires. But we gon' chill today, live around the world tomorrow, you know.
Oh!
Yes.
Sorry, Mitsuru. I'm almost done. Well, you know how it is.
Akihiko, are you feeling unwell? You seem to be short of breath.
I'll be fine. More importantly, why don't you help his studies? He ended up in the hospital right after transferring. Might need some help to make up for the class time he's missed.
You do have a point. Here, these are my notes from last year. You can use them if you'd like. I don't think the content of the class has changed much since then.
Your notes are as perfect as ever. They're easier to understand than the textbook itself.
Flattery will get you nowhere. But I suppose I am rather particular about my note-taking. In class, I listen closely and write down bullet points. Then I organize them later into a more readable format. It's a bit time-consuming, but I find it's overall a more efficient way of reviewing the material. If you plan your day-to-day tasks effectively, test preparation is as good as done. You seem to have a knack for this. I'll teach you more of my study techniques next time.
Mitsuru's right. Efficiency is key. We're all given the same amount of time. It's how well you manage it that can set you apart.
Indeed, not even a second of time should be wasted. On that note, shall we return to studying?
All right, done.
Huh? Akihiko, you're drenched in sweat. And that heavy breathing, are you sure you're...
I'm fine. I've just been squatting over my chair this whole time. Wanted to challenge myself to hold it until I was done with your notes. Working out while studying is quite an efficient use of my time, wouldn't you say?
Why are you like this? I thought I told you not to push yourself until you've fully recovered. If you take efficiency too far, it'll backfire. Don't follow his example, okay? Well then, I think we've made a fair amount of progress. Let's call it a night.
And the light men are crossing over long shadows, wherein there's lie holes.
like the new stuff we got in stock. Take a look around, yeah?
Baby, stay with me. You gotta tell now.
When you run your own business, how many? You sure? Hey! You made up your mind? You sure? Thanks for coming. Thanks. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. You got everything you need? Thanks. Welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, welcome.
Hey!
What? Oh,
Wait, what?
If you wanna go ahead, free to do whatever. I'm chilling on my bed. I'm out in my biz, so mind your own biz. Whatever like is, we go
You're a
for
saint.
it.
Jeez.
Hey, feeling the fire with the
Man, this sucks. Guess I don't have much choice with Kirijo-senpai getting on my case. She was like, if you fail your midterm, there will be consequences. I feared for my life for a second. You guys are my only hope. Give me a hand here. Please.
You can start by taking this seriously. You've been distracted this whole time.
As they say, it pays to be prepared. Gotta get myself in the right mindset first, right? A good study session needs a clean and organized workspace and the perfect mood for learning. And so, to set that mood, I, Junpei Iori, volunteer.
What? Where is this coming from?
You there, young man! What lecture would you like to hear from the great Junpei? History, arithmetic, literature? Aha! A man of culture. Literature it is, then. Have you ever read the famous dystopian science fiction novel 1984? Oh, you haven't? That's a shame, but oh well!
I'd really like to close the book on this chapter.
Look, we all need a breather sometimes. What'd you think about the great Junpei's lecture, dude? Ah, quite the studious young man, aren't you? Then allow me to give you my best lecture yet.
Stupay, you're starting to infect his mind too. If we keep humoring you, it's going to impact our studies too. Or maybe we should just let you fail. Find out what Kirijo-senpai's consequences are like firsthand.
Whoa, let's not get hasty here. I was just joking around. I'll get serious. I swear. Don't abandon me. So this goes like that. And then you take that and carry it over here. And then, hey man, you mind giving me a little help with this one?
Oh, look who's actually putting the effort in. That wasn't so bad, was it?
About that joke I was telling earlier. Should I pause before the punchline or go with the flow?
Why don't we just pretend this guy doesn't exist and study on our own? I guess that's enough studying for today. Thanks to you, I got a lot more done.
So dance,
Hello.
So dance. If you wanna go ahead, free to do whatever. I'm chilling on my bed. I'm minding my biz, so mind your own
All right.
biz. Whatever like is.
Yes, correct. The answer is May Blues. Next, for the following sentence. What's the matter, Yuri? Feeling the May Blues?
What? Oh, it's nothing.
Kirijo-senpai, about this question here.
Hey, dude. You smell that? It's insane. You know what I'm talking about? There's this floral scent coming from Kirijo-senpai's direction.
Yeah, I know what you mean. To be honest, I can't get enough of it.
Ha! Now that's what I'm talking about, Sonata-san. Man, this is heaven. Such grace, such elegance. Truly the fragrance of the upper class.
I'd personally describe it as stimulating. I can almost taste the juicy tenderness.
What?
Oh, I was heating up a beef bowl for a late-night snack. That was pretty good, right?
A beef bowl? That's what you were talking about? Not you too! Come on! Guys like us should be thinking with our... well, not our stomachs! Sonata-san, you don't happen to have any extra, do you?
No eating until you've gotten some work done. Stay focused. Keep your hand moving.
Beef! Beef! Beef!
For goodness sake. All right, if you answer 5 more questions correctly, you can have your food.
Yeah! Beef! Beef! Beef!
You're like a horse with a carrot dangled in its face.
One mention of food and you finally give a crap. That's all it takes, huh?
All right, that should be enough for tonight. Make sure not to eat too much before bed.
Hold up. Nuh-uh.
go. I owe you one.